Good morning! Grabe, sa sobrang puyat namin, as usual, what's new? This past 2 weeks from WUFEX University to the training of our staff and of course our work. Tapos biglang ito na, our second beach wedding anniversary. Hindi ko naabutan ng sunrise, pero it's a beautiful, cloudy morning. Let me show you. Dito usually ang sunrise level. Ang taas na ng araw when I woke up around 7:42. Tulog pa ang kama ko. I'll try to wake up Thursday. Picture na lang muna around and then siguro wake up Taz because I know he's still wants to swim.